The Norwood LumberLite ML26 was designed to make your dreams come true. Dreams of milling your own wood, building a new shed or outbuilding, making your own furniture, putting up a playhouse for your kids or grandkids. With the LumberLite, you can bring to life all the special projects that you and your family have been dreaming about for years. Ideal for hobbyists and part-time woodworkers, the LumberLite can handle logs up to 26 inches in diameter and mill boards 17 inches wide. Standard, you can mill lumber just over 12 feet, or to mill longer boards, add one or more 4-foot bed extensions. The single-action operator control simultaneously activates the clutch and throttle. Thanks to the narrow kerf blade, you'll have a nice pile of lumber at the end of the day, not a pile of sawdust. And boards come off the mill so smooth and straight, just a light sanding is all you'll need. Quickly mill boards 1 inch thick. Just one turn of the calibrated crank handle gives perfect 1-inch lumber. Or use the standard depth of cut scale to mill boards any dimension you want. Designed for ground-level milling operations, the LumberLite's stability and easy log loading position will give you the confidence to mill on your own. The LumberLite's patented sawhead lift system automatically locks the sawhead in place. Simply turn the winch handle to set your depth of cut and mill. Shipped in knockdown form, Norwood can quickly and inexpensively deliver your LumberLite anywhere. As easy to look after as it is to operate, the simple design of the LumberLite ensures trouble-free operation with only routine maintenance. And it's backed by Norwood's 2-year warranty and 30-day money-back guarantee of satisfaction. What projects do you and your family dream about? Stop dreaming and start doing with a Norwood LumberLite ML26.